If we install the caster with the brake on this side of the base end of the instrument, it will no longer fit through the door. So put the brake on the outside. When installing the caster, you've got an option of spacers to change the height. In this case, we're going to use a 2-inch spacer. Goes on through the hole, first the washer, then the flat washer, then the nut. Snug it up. Use one wrench to hold the bottom and the second wrench to tighten the top. Or if you have one of these great type of wrenches, you can tighten it right up. Use both of them to make sure it's firm with then the rubber cap. Boop. There you go.